today I brought an amazing tutorial for you that is you requested. Yes, it's Taki Taki. So what you waiting for? Start. Okay, from 2 minutes 10 seconds, my very first step is 1. So let me show you all the steps and I'll teach you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now I'm going to teach you these steps. So this is turning the switch and moving your wrist like this. So you profile, okay, both the hands here in front and right wrist rightwards, left wrist leftwards. And this is the rotation of your hips. So you can even hit it or after hitting, rotating your hips. So 1, 2, onto your profile and you come in front. Right is crossing to your left, both the hands at the back. So 1, 2, 3 mein your left leg comes forward and it's ulta clap. Both the hands up. 3, 4. 4 mein all of a sudden you set. Okay, it's full set. And this. So you basically taking way while sitting. So once again it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now on 7 and 8, 7. So 7 mein you just fall with the help of your right knee and you scooped. Okay, so both the hands on the floor, left is little forward and scooped. So it's basically this. Okay, once again it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. On 8, while doing this, you get up. So after scooped, you got up, but it's very quick. So you cannot waste your time. So I just put some random step like this and you can just do this. And if you can't, that is all okay. So after you scooped, you got up. Now the actual lyrics come. Taki Taki, Taki Taki Rumba. So once you got up, Taki Taki. So it is a pendulum step. How would you do? Your both the wrist, your both the hands are here and head is here like left side and your right leg comes up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is basically this step. It's a pendulum step that I named it. Okay, and both the hands here left side, and you also slightly fell to left side and your right leg is up. Once you fell to right side, your left leg is up. So it will go alternate. So it will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. On Rumba, you shake or shimmy your chest and little up. Okay, there is something. Okay, fine. It's a mic. So what did you do? Tuck, 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 tuck. Zumba or Rumba. That's it. So after Rumba, you have to shimmy like chest shimmy. You have to take high jump and you come down. Okay, so it's very quick. So Rumba, then you have this L. Okay, remember this is L. Right is up, then left is holding. Left hand is holding to your right hand and now you have to go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see these steps how I'm going back. Bending my knees, stop, stop, stop. So put style in it. So it's like 1, left is back, bending your knees, then right is back, bending your knees. This is 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How your hands are? L, up, holding. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So slightly your left hand is coming towards down and you just doing your hair and touching yourself like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very random walk 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 you stop and then there are some beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. What did you do? Keep your left leg strongly, then the right leg and as if from your right hand as if they're stopping something. 3, you kept lift your hand on your chest, and 4. It's like tuck. It's a very fast rotation of your chest. However, it's like bump, okay? Or you can also pop it. So you can pop your chest, or you can just rotate your chest, whatever you feel like. So once again, all the steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can take full turn or you can take half turn, it's all up to you. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after this, now main lyrics are starting, like these are English lyrics. Again, I'm teaching you on counts. So after this, 1, 2. So quickly after this you turn or you profile, your left hand is forward along with your left foot, and as if that you're grabbing something. So 1, 2, okay? What did I do? I just slightly turned, 1, 2, keep it here, 3, 4. So it's twice chest drop, left is up, right is on your stomach. So 3, 4, 5. It has to be very smooth. It shouldn't be like in disconnection. So like this. So again, once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as if that you're trying to sit. So you have to hop little while sitting. Okay? Then after the left knee comes quickly here. Itna time nahi hai halaki, but you have to do it really soon. And then after this, or you can do this, or you can simply do this. So your right leg is up, it has to be pointed, it's not flex. So pointed, and then on both of the knees, take the support of your floor, and then fly your head twice, and then on your toes and up. हालांकि ये इतना आसान नहीं है या इतना ज़्यादा धीरे नहीं है. So it's really quick. How quick? Just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So once again I would like to recap for you because it is little advanced. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And on 8 you took a turn. So 8, and again it's ulta clap and up and ooh. So they make a sound like ooh. So ooh, you have to do this, and then after 1, 2. So how this step goes? Holding something on your hands and rotate your chest along your hips, okay? So it's just twice. Once again, ooh, 1, 2, ooh, ooh. So there is a sound, tuck, tuck. So here you have to just lift your leg little bit, go a little bend, right hand is here, and you just have to keep your hand on your hip, or you don't have to, it's just you need to show this thing. So it's just twisting, okay, ooh, ooh, and then after 1, 2. So you're going back and you're throwing your leg and chest pop, okay? Right hand is there, left hand is there on your chest, tuck, tuck, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's very easy, it's just see my steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, and through my right hand I'm going like this, okay? Just see. So my hands are moving, my right hand is left side moving and comes back. So it's just this, it's very easy, but it's while walking. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, only twice, 1, 2. So it's a wave. You can even do this, or you can even do this. Then after 1 turn and comes back. So once again, once you get up and take turn, ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 5, 6, 7 में turn किया and 8 में you have to take a jump. So tuck. What did you do? You clapped from your hands, you jumped and you just clapped from like your hands to your thigh, okay? So it's this and then 1, 2. So it's basically taking a wave, however going back. So इसको मैं 1 2 count करती हूँ to your jump. 1 2 3 4. How did you go? Wave, 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 wave. So you bending your knees, you going back and taking wave to your left and then right. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then after I took a cart, I just did a little cartwheel. So if you can't do that, even it was hard for me. So if you can't do cartwheel, you can simply do some random steps, okay, or random steps, something like this, anything that you felt like, because it's just a random lyric. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, walk, 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 taki taki taki. So what did I do? Cross, cross, and here I'm just dropping my chest. So left, right, 1 2 3 4. That's it. So once again, taki taki taki, cross, cross. So it's this, taki taki taki, tak 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 tak, or you can simply move. Okay, so that was the tutorial of, very quick tutorial of Taki Taki, and I assume that so people who actually dance little bit, they can learn from it, but people who actually beginner, they really can't learn Taki Taki from the tutorial. But still, if you do let me know. I would really glad if you learn from that. So that was all from my side. Hope you liked my video, and if you haven't seen my video, do watch it right now. That was Aditi. Please subscribe our channel Dancercise Studio. Signing off.